Okay, Alex saves up $30 per week at 7.8% compounded weekly until he has $500 for a new computer. This is a real life question. How long will it take? Okay, what equation are we going to use? What is the key word that tells me which equation we're actually going to use here? Saving, right? We're saving on a weekly basis, so we're using what? Using rain, okay? The thing is, for this unit, you have to be able to get the distinction between rain, pain, and PV. Once you have that, this is easy. Can someone please recite from memory what the rain is, or from the piece of paper? Go ahead. Or from a piece of paper, you can't do. Yeah. 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 Thank you, Angela. Very good. And again, I will give you those equations on your final exam and on your test. I won't tell you what the letters mean and how to use them, but I'll give you that. Alex, this is your question. Can you give me one variable, please? R equals 30. Okay, that's his regular savings. Georgie, can I get another? A is $500. Noah, is there anything else we know about this one? Yeah. Yeah. Careful. Yeah, and you said 0.78. It's 0.078. 0. What is that? 0.0015. Can someone confirm that? Yeah. Now remember 7.8 is that, and again it's weekly, so it's 52. And then N is question mark. Once again, I'm going to encourage you to write down, or encourage you meaning force you, to write down all those things on the left-hand side so that you can just easily find what you're solving for. All right, Emily, time to start subbing some things in, please. Go ahead. Okay, thank you. Okay, so this is the types of questions we did on Friday, right? Where we have to isolate N. We have to get rid of anything else. Kayla, can you get rid of one thing for me, please? Sounds good to me. I'll even write this in red here just so we can remember here. Divide by 30, you should get, what is that, 6? Is it? Clearly. Naturally. For the internet that thinks I don't know my times tables, I have a 3-week-old baby, so I've had a lot of sleep this weekend. Okay, 4 is my IQ. Okay, what's the next step here, please? Cody, go ahead. Close. You say add and you're wrong, though, okay? Yes, because think you're like dividing that, right? So we're going to multiply 0.0015. And again, you don't have to write this stuff in red, but I just want to get it in there. Okay? All right, Ivan, this is your phone. Good. Can you just multiply that for me, though, first, using your calculator / phone? Zero two four nine nine nine, which I think we could round up to 0.25. If you can confirm that, and then you're right, we do have to add 1, and that's the key step to this. Well, okay. Okay, the question was, we just said we weren't supposed to round. The thing is, with 16.6666666, really rounded to begin with, right? So when you had 0.249999999, that's just like 1. Okay. All right, I'm gonna take a second and make sure that everyone's up to this stage. Are we feeling somewhat okay, except for Austin? No offense. For everyone else other than Austin, are we feeling somewhat okay about this? And Jake, I guess, too. Oh, goodness. Please don't let Spider-Man hit the deck. You're feeling good? All right, good. Victoria, this step now, what do I do, please, if anything? Excellent, okay. So we're just going to say log 1.025 equals log 1.0015 times n. Good. Shelby, what do I do now? Good. And if you can give me the final answer, I'd be happy with that. 16.47. Okay, just to get people to confirm that, take a second. If you borrowed a calculator from me and you haven't typed this in yet, now's the time to actually do so. Anyone unable to get that number or without off a decimal? No, you give it a try on this? I know we are done the question, but I want you to physically type it in your calculator to make sure. Because it's one thing to be able to write down what I do on the board here, though, right? But I need to make sure. What does that number actually represent? What is that number? How, in what? Weeks. Good. So you got to wait 16 weeks. I'm sorry, my friend. Therefore, it will take Alex 16 weeks. Yes. Okay, now, I'm going to hit pause here. Actually, I'm going to hit stop, and I'm going to tell a joke, and then I'm going to.